Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I posted a video on Friday and there is an issue with one of the deals. So we're just going to throw this on the table and own it with full transparency. The Olay deal was working in concert with IBOTTA where there was like a $2 rebate per body wash. As of Sunday morning, which is July the 31st, they have removed it. So I don't know why. That's what happened. When I recorded the video, even on Friday, there was no timer as per the IBOTTA rebate, but it's gone. So just be warned that $6 will not be there for you. Hopefully you watch this. Everything else in this video stands on its feet. That was the one issue with it. But we're going to look at the rest of the digital coupons that I could not see the fine print when I was doing my preview video. And we're going to talk about the best deals. But before we do that, because we have always topics to talk about, apparently for curbside deals, a lot of people were saying on Friday that when they went and did their deal, they were not getting a receipt. No more receipts with your curbside order. So if you're doing something with an IBOTTA or fresh rebate, that's a huge problem. But people are saying the way to counter navigate this is do not check in with the app or the email. Just go to the photo department, announce yourself. They'll scan the QR code and a receipt will print. So do not check in. They offer that. Don't do it. Let's dive right into these deals. So for this, I was kind of speculating that there would either be a 4 off of 2, but they presented $2 digitals. I got one for the paste and the brush, but not for the wash. And just to show you, here are the coupons. So obviously for 25 cents, the $2 coupons are just a little bit more, in line with getting free stuff. So let's load both of the ones for the paste and the brush. Grabbing 2, one of each, it's $7.98. Subtracting a 2 and a 2 digital coupon, you're paying $3.98, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash for this specific scenario. Another cute little freebie is this Glade plug-in warmer for $2.49. We have a $2.50 coupon, so that'll reduce down to the cost, making this warmer completely free if you like the Glade, those oils they smell so nice. The next deal that we're going to talk about is this guy. We had some very generous digital coupons that showed up this morning, making this guy a freebie. $3 a pop, earn a $5 reward when you buy 3. So that 3 off of 2 digital, it's not really there when you have these, which is a $2 off of a toothpaste. I believe these are in the August P&G, so if you might be able to get one insert, throw in an extra coupon, and it would make it a moneymaker. But digitally, we have a $2 off of a brush, a $2 off of a paste. So this is the brush one. And so the math for this would be 3 of those products. You're going to have to mix and match for 9. Subtracting the $2 digitals, you're paying 5, getting back a $5 register reward, making this free. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And if you might have your hands on the August P&G, there's a $2 coupon, so throw in an extra to make it a moneymaker. This deal is it's not that great, but if you have a spend 65, get back 15, or a spend 50, get back 10 booster, perhaps this might be a deal for you. $12.99 on these various Tide products, $10 reward when you buy 3. So this morning, $2 digitals showed up in my account, one for the laundry detergent. Unfortunately, guys, too, I can't print off of P&G Good every day. It's been like that all month. And then one for the pods. So load both of those digital coupons for the liquid and the pods. Okay, the math for this, 3 of those products is $38.97. So for a $50 or $60 basket, that's a big bite of it. So that's the only way I would do it. We have the $2 off of each for the digitals, for the liquid and the pods. You're paying $34.97, getting back $16 in register rewards, 10 for the offer. And there's another one of spend 15 on P&G products, get back 5. So that's $15 back in register rewards, making it $19.97 for the 3 products. Again, if you have a very large booster like spend 50, get back 10, or spend 65, get back 15, this would be a great one to really bulk up that basket if you see it that way. But for most of you, if you do not have a booster, I would not do this deal. Just being transparent. Okay, for a lot of the shampoos that they have, there are no deals with register rewards this week, But we got some really generous coupons that will drop these down to like the Garnier 2 for $7, subtracting a $4. You're paying 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo and conditioner. So if you're in need of shampoo for $1.50, if you think that's a stock up price, there's a whole bunch of the Garnier, Tresemme, load all those coupons, maybe throw in a store register reward and make a deal happen. Now this is a weird coupon, $1.50 off of a 7th generation product. Curbside, a lot of these products are like $3 and some change. For this spray, for example, it would drop it down to $2.09. You guys know we do a lot of curbside deals, and this has a pretty long expiry date. I would just load it. So the 7th generation coupons, just search for it in your app. Another great one that showed up again is the $1.50 for the Epsom salt. This usually runs for about $1.99 curbside. So with this coupon, it would be 49 cents, valid till the end of August. Just load it right away. How very, very embarrassing of me. I didn't include this in the preview, but the Physics scissors, which are really good quality, $1.29. If you're the type of shopper that has a bunch of inserts in your purse or in your attaché case for the dudes out there, definitely have one of these just lurking around so you can clip coupons and it's not just ripping it out of an insert so it looks neat and tidy. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!